Hi, I wanted to show you a breakfast that I like to make with my Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Not a waffle. I'm going to make an egg, and I'm also going to make some mushrooms and cheese to go with it. So give me a minute to set it up and I'll show you how I do it. So I bought these already prepared portobello mushrooms, and they are stuffed with cheese and some jalapenos on the top. I thought that I would be able to fit that on the waffle maker, but alas, it doesn't fit. But I found that if I cut it into quarters, it works perfectly. So I'll show you that. So here is a quarter of that mushroom, and my Dash Mini Waffle Maker is hot, so I'm going to put it right on there. And I'm going to squish it down. You can hear that, I'm sure. Okay, let's see how it looks. I think it's done. Perfect. It's fluffy, cooked all the way through, and everything came out. Okay, I hope that looks as good to you as it does to me. Probably not, but it looks good to me.